Foundation is one of the most essential products in the world of makeup, serving as the base that evens out skin tone, covers imperfections, and creates a smooth canvas for the rest of the makeup. It helps to enhance natural beauty while offering a polished and flawless finish. Available in various forms, such as liquid, cream, stick, powder, and mousse, foundation can be customized based on skin type, desired coverage, and the look one wants to achieve. Whether you prefer a dewy, radiant glow or a matte, oil-free finish, there is a foundation designed to meet your individual skin needs. Its purpose goes beyond coverage. Today's foundations often contain added skincare benefits like SPF, hydration, anti-aging ingredients, and oil control, making them multifunctional and effective. Choosing the right foundation starts with understanding your skin type and undertone. For dry skin, a hydrating or creamy foundation with ingredients like hyaluronic acid provides moisture throughout the day. Oily or acne-prone skin types usually benefit from oil-free, mattifying foundations that help absorb excess sebum and reduce shine. Those with sensitive skin should look for fragrance-free and hypoallergenic formulas. Additionally, undertones, cool, warm, or neutral, play a big role in selecting a shade that blends seamlessly with your natural complexion. Thankfully, many modern brands now offer wide and inclusive shade ranges to match every skin tone. Popular foundation types serve different purposes. Liquid foundation is the most versatile and works well for most skin types, offering buildable coverage from sheer to